Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your 5 links business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. Top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm going to save a special bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the #1 lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact simple 3-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter in one company and hit the leaderboard for sales in a completely different company. I'm going to show you how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can attract highly qualified and targeted prospects to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? Here's what you're going to get. You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's hop right in. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who have the success that you want, looking at what they've already done, and essentially creating updated content for the same keywords. You're going to use the tool called TubeBuddy to get this done. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, copy the tags to a Word document. Once the tags are copied, you're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description that's about 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of this description. You're going to create a thumbnail using canva.com and save your thumbnail as your primary keywords. Guys, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat, just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim what somebody else said, but you want to create similar updated content going after the same keywords. Make sure your content is 3 to 5 minutes long and use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. When it comes to Facebook, you want to target and find people who are in your target audience. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're essentially marketing to no one. So you want to be social in targeted groups and build a following. Here's a good way to do that. Hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I've been noticing some of the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, so I thought we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? Now, you don't have to say that verbatim word for word, but something along those lines just to reach out, and you want to be doing this 5 to 10 times a day. In those groups. Once you build your audience, you want to engage with that audience. You could do it with a fill in the blank post, post engaging pictures, pictures of your lifestyle, your family, that kind of thing, and blog posts as well. Connecting in groups, you want to connect in groups like the Tony Robbins group and the Robert Kiyosaki group. Those are the top, definitely amongst the top groups of finding like-minded people. And you want to make 5 to 10 connections each day. Be consistent in these groups. People will get to know you from your comments. Make sure that you're in there to make connections and you're not in there trying to close prospects, as that will not work out for you. Attracting the right people to you, what you want to do is post curiosity and not resistance. So that's 90% personal and only 10% about your business. And when you're posting about your business, it's most likely going to be the results of others on your team, that kind of thing. You want to do imagery quotes, lifestyle pics, inspirational quotes, and random questions, fun polls. All those are good things to keep people engaged and keep them curious about exactly what you have going on. Here's an example of a good curiosity post. This morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. People might ask and might reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, which some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. I hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.